What's happening, people? Who's ready for a prank? Say what's up to the people, dog. Why you being shy? Anyways, I'm about to prank my girl. Can you even see it? I'm in it. So yeah, I'm about to throw that in the shower with her. Glove.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why are you recording me? What did you do? I don't know. Really? Bye.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Go away.
Alright.
Ryan, you're so fucking disgusting. How am I gonna get that out the shower?
What?
The shit!
You stepped on it?
No! You're so fucking...
You want me to go get some more?
No, go get something so I can get it out the shower.
What the hell? I'm not gonna get nothing.
Ryan, my grandma...
You shitted in the shower, you nasty.
Ryan, give me that glove, dude.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ryan, dude, she's gonna get mad.
Who's gonna get mad?
My grandma, dude, can you please give me something so I can pick this
Well,
up?
this can turn into a prank on your grandma.
Oh my god, dude.
You mad?
Yes, I'm fucking in the shower. You think I want to smell this? Can you please go get something?
Is it strong?
Ryan,
Alright.
please go get something and clean this shit up.
Alright. I'm going.
Record me and I'll throw something at that fucking phone.
I dare you. Alright, I'm gonna get it done. Hell no, I ain't cleaning up shit, you know me? Fucked up with this motherfucker. Like Cassandra. Matt. That's a yeah. Alright. You smell good, but I smell a hint of shit. Just a hint, though. Just a hint. Alright, guys. It's the end of the video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. Either way, I don't give a fuck. Share this shit, subscribe, all of that good shit. And your boy will be back with another video. Peace.